guys, so we're getting ready to leave. It is 9:34, making coffee. Gonna stop and get a sandwich for the plane and get gas, and then we're out of here. You excited?
Real excited.
You look real excited.
I am.
Jasper, you gonna miss us?
No.
God, we thank you for this day. We thank you for allowing us to make it to almost 7 years of marriage, Lord.
Hey guys, it's Emmanuel and Chris. We just got done arguing.
Shut up. We didn't argue. We just.
Listen. It's not a real vacation. How is the meme?
Unless you argue.
Unless you argue.
Unless you make it through arguing on vacation. It's not arguing. It's just a little spat.
It wasn't a little spat. It was a little bicker.
Alright.
But yeah, where we're headed. We just got this Kia. What is this?
Sportage?
A Kia Sportage.
Air.
Is this supposed to be right here?
I don't know.
I guess this is for like when it's like snowing and stuff.
Okay.
But it's also, I guess that could be used as a weapon too.
Yeah. Alright, let's find. You're gonna find some something to eat. We'll just head that way.
Yeah, we'll just head that way.
So we're leaving Denver and heading to Colorado Springs.
And it is.
Thank you. You too. Babe, stop. You're being so annoying. Please turn it off. You're being so... It's our anniversary, and it's also, we're used to it being, what time is it? Where's your time? Oh, it's 5:02 a.m. here, but it's 7 a.m. at home, and I'm used to being up, and I'm ready to get up and get the day started. But Emmanuel is not like at home. And this is our view outside. I'm ready to get up and go. So we're gonna have to wait, but we're staying right now at Cheyenne Mountain something resort, but it's kind of underwhelming, which is fine. So we're gonna check out early today and just stay at like a regular hotel. You know, we heard the word resort, and we're like, oh, but I don't think it's worth this price. It's okay. Yeah, at least we're on the same page. You got anything to say?
I love you.
Oh, got a nice little morning view. Anyway, I don't know what I think maybe that's Cheyenne Mountain.
Maybe. They say it's 30 degrees, but this feels like...
It feels like 10.
Yeah, it feels like 10 out here.
So you want to go there or omelets, etc.? This is it, you guys. If you're ever in the Colorado Springs area, check it out.
We gotta find a Target so we get a gallon.
Oh yeah. So omelets, etc. was delicious.
Yeah, A1, top notch, top tier.
We will come back.
S tier.
We got actually a lot. We got like 4 things because we like to like split some things. I got a sandwich. You got an omelet.
Yeah, I had a savory steak omelet.
And then we got the burrito to share, and then crepes, and it was like just $45. And they gave us a lot. Like we have lots of leftovers.
Yeah.
So that's nice.
And I'm full. And now if I get full, that's saying something.
So next we're going to, I think it's Mount Cutler Trail or something, because it's only 7:48, and gonna see what that's all about.
I am not trying to call your life insurance company. I mean, I would if I had to, you know.
Boy, this mountain air. It's a little hard to breathe up here. I have asthma, but I've been taking my maintenance inhaler. I think it's the elevation.
There's a car.
Awkward. Stop!
No, it's just, you know. Yeah, no. This ain't it.
You sure?
I'm positive.
Look, that was the hardest part. Yeah, that trail almost took me out. Hey you guys, it's a quick outfit change. We are heading to Garden of the Gods to meet Gwen and Marion. Gwen and Marion have a YouTube channel. I will link it down below. They make content about homemaking and being a stay-at-home wife and slow living. So definitely check the channel out. It's a breath of fresh air. And speaking of breath of fresh air, we're almost there. I'm kind of nervous. It's always kind of nerve-wracking meeting new people because it's like, I hope they don't think we're weird. Oh, you're on the line. You're on the line.
Oh, that's what that means?
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
This is actually really neat.
Do you mind if I vlog you guys?
Yeah, that's fine. I wanted to vlog.
Okay, I was like, let me ask, because I don't want to be whipping it out and they'll be like, where I just met you.
Marion said that too.
This is Gwen.
Hi.
And her husband, Marion.
Drinking water.
Drinking water, yes.
Yeah, so we are here at the Siamese Twins Rocks.
Yes.
And it's beautiful here.
That's why the trail is called. Okay.
It's like, what do you think?
Yeah.
Siamese Twins?
Maybe.
Yeah, this is cool.
So the walk up wasn't that bad.
Yeah.
I slipped a little bit, just a little bit.
It wasn't
but
bad, it was terrible.
No, it wasn't. It's fine. We could do this.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
All right, so we're gearing up for one last adventure. It is, what time is it? It's like 4. It's 4 something in the morning, closer to 5. So we are gonna go to the Great Sand Dunes National Park. It's about 2.5 hours away. So the plan is to get there early, so that way we can just see the sights, take the pictures, enjoy the experience, maybe do a little sand sledding, perhaps. And then head on back to rest a little bit before we have to drop off the car at the airport and get ready for our flight.
What's up?
We're almost there. There are the dunes over there in the background. It's hard to breathe. We had some other people take our pictures on the phone, but we're gonna get a few more because they didn't get the angles I wanted, but that's okay. That was so nice of them. But it was then she knew. The crusty crab pizza is the... It's so peaceful and quiet out here. We are trying to hike to the top, and I do think we can do it. It's just, we're taking a little break. Like the park ranger at the front was telling us the key to getting to the top is just to pace yourself. And that's what we're doing, especially since our bodies aren't acclimated to the elevation. But I am confident that we can make it. The walk up hasn't been so bad.
One eternity later.
We tried. So much for making it to the top. We got kind of close. We're not too far. We came a long way. I'm proud of us, but I just don't think I have it in me to go all the way up there.
Yeah.
Like,
It's still a bit of ways. It's not too far, but it's still a bit of
it
ways.
would take us at least an hour from here to get there, and
Especially with this steep incline.
yeah, this incline is super steep because you have to remember, it's like, imagine walking up a sandy hill, like a sand on the beach.
Yeah.
Well, until next time. I'm tired and thirsty.
It was real fun though.
Yeah.
Real fun.
I think a one and done kind of thing though. It's nice, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
But I think once. Alright, so we are so we're getting ready to head back to the airport. We're all packed up pretty much. We'll leave probably like 7:30 because our flight doesn't leave until like 12:35, so like just after midnight, and we don't want to have to sit at the airport that long, but also we have to return our rental by 9, so there's that. But I think it's been a good trip.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah,
I'm ready to go home.
I'm ready to go home too. It's been fun, but like, you guys gotta understand, we're homebodies. We
Yeah.
love being at home. Like, I don't want to go anywhere else for a while.
Yeah, this is it.
Yeah, this is it. Maybe
This is it for 2022.
No, maybe we'll go like, well, there's the wedding in September. That'll be it.
Oh,
September.
Yeah, that'll be it.
That's fine. You know, maybe a little day trip somewhere in Georgia. Yeah, that's cool too.
Yeah.
But we really love being at home also. So it is a little bit after 10. Our flight got canceled, but we luckily I saw on social media, I'll link the girl's Instagram if I can think of it, but basically with some airlines, if your flight is canceled, they'll give you a hotel voucher and a food voucher, and Delta happens to be one of those. So luckily that's who we booked through. So we rebooked our flight for 7 a.m. tomorrow. So we went back down to the Delta ticket counter and we explained what happened. Our flight was, like I said, our flight was rebooked, and she was like, yeah, I'll give you, you can pick your hotel. Like, they gave us a link to a website. We could pick the hotel we wanted. She gave us each 2 $15 food vouchers. And right now we are waiting for the free shuttle to the free hotel until the morning. 4 a.m. We are about to head downstairs for the morning shuttle. It leaves at 5:15. Boarding starts at 6:20. So let's try this again. I realized I didn't record an outro, but we made it home safely. We're happy to be home. We had a good time. In the comment section down below, let us know if you guys have ever been to the Colorado Springs area, or leave a suggestion of where we should go next, maybe next year. We like outdoorsy things, so maybe like another place with like a really cool national park. That would be cool. But as per always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.